Hi everyone, welcome to another reading vlog. This time it's a little bit different. We're adding a little twist and we are attempting the 24-hour reading vlog. But this one is not the straight 24 hours. I don't have that luxury to do 24 hours straight reading vlog, unfortunately. But we will try to time my reading and discover how many days would it take me to complete a 24-hour reading vlog. Not the 24-hour long vlog, but 24 hours of reading. So, siguro I have 1 month to complete 24 hours. Anyways, I don't have any TBRs for this vlog. I don't think I have any TBRs for any reading vlog. I think I'm leaning more to mood reading when I do reading vlogs, unless it's a specific series or book or trope or genre reading vlog. But I am so happy to share that the first book that I will be reading in this vlog is our book of the month for the bookish bunch club. The first book that we will be reading in this vlog is the book of the month for the bookish bunch book club, A Study in Drowning by Ava Reed. And this is a YA fantasy, if I'm not mistaken. Is this YA? It feels YA. I have a physical copy, a hardbound, beautiful collector's copy, but I am reading it on my Kindle. Kasi ganyan tayo eh. Hi! It's the second day. Where's my phone? I think I have around 21 hours left, and I am almost done with the study on drowning. Although, I don't have my Kindle also here. You have a lot of discussion points here, being political, being social, being a feminist book, and it's just so rich in messaging, if you get what I mean. So it's super nice na ito ay aming book of the month, because this is the kind of book na you want to talk about and you want to discuss with people that also has read it then. So, I'm super excited. I think I'm gonna put on hold my reviews for the books that I am, or at least the full reviews of the books that I'm reading in this vlog, kasi I will have a wrap up for the month. I will try. Pero just to focus on the monitoring my reading every day. So second day first day I had 4 hours and I have 21 hours left. So, medyo okay naman siguro, no? Although, ang nagiging challenge ko lang is siguro when I am already in the work week or work days, baka dun ako medyo hindi makakabawi. But so far, so good. And also, nga pala, the challenge is I'm not always on my phone. My phone is not in my hands 24/7. So ngayon, katulad ngayon, I don't know where I put it. So hindi ko na alam kung nasaan na siya. Minsan, yung Kindle ko yung una kong makikita sa magbabasa ako, tapos hindi ako makakapag-time. Alam mo yun, so sobrang, it's really a big challenge for me to time my reading. Kasi nga, I don't have like a specific hour to sit down and just read. You know what I mean? There was one time na 1 minute lang yung na-play ko dun sa sa timer. So it's really hard for me to monitor my reading, but still interesting. So at least for this one time lang, tingnan natin.
It comes and goes in the blink of an eye. Soon as I swear you've been left behind, all the colors come back so bright. Wish I could keep you in black and white, sort of like a picture in a drawer. I don't wanna look at anymore, but it's too hard to ignore that I'll never not feel like yours.
It is the 7th day today. 7 ba? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's the 6th day. Sixth day today, and we still have 14 hours left for my 24 hours of reading. So I guess kaya naman natin ito ng 2 weeks. I'm sorry if hindi masyadong nag-update ako. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-update in the last few days because it's just, I don't know why I started this time kasi we have this external requirement to be submitted very, very soon na, and I want to complete that before the deadline. So, ganun ang nangyari sa akin in the past week. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nakisabay pa ako dito sa 24 hours na to. Anyway, I finished Study and Drowning. Again, I finished it on my Kindle. Very easy to read and very engaging, very fun. I enjoyed this. I rated it 4 stars. It is the 9th day and I still haven't read so much since last year. Half true. Almost. I haven't read so much since yesterday, but I still have 10 hours. Oops, wait lang. May chat. That was just our book club. So, meron akong reklamo. We still have 10 hours of reading, and I am very much positive na it will take me another week. Kasi in the weekends, we went outside. For Nemo din naman yun. Tapos the next weekend, magkakaroon ulit kami ng lakad to go to my partner and visit him. So, mawawalan tayo ng oras ng mga weekends na recent and the next. But I will try. I am compensating my time sa aking audiobook, which I have here. Wait, mawawala na ako ng memory. I picked up I Who Have Never Known Men, and I'm 16% in, so I will continue listening to it. At least mabawasan man lang yung ating 10 hours while I'm working. Kasi medyo routine naman yung ginagawa ko. So,
It comes and goes in the blink of an eye. Soon as I swear you've been left behind, all the colors come back so bright. Wish I could keep you in black and white, sort of like a picture in a drawer. I don't wanna look at anymore, but it's too hard to ignore that I'll never not feel like yours. Holding on to someone new's the only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you.
I think we have our own stories of harassment and different kinds of harassment. And I know that it could happen to yourself, it could happen to ourselves, it could happen to our family, to our friends, or someone now we just know, or someone that we read in the internet. And I know that this message is very important and have a very huge impact to people. But I cannot shake off the fact that this book is slowly getting more and more boring for me. And I'm not saying that the topic is boring. I know how huge this is. I know how disturbing it is. Even the thought pa nga lang of how many people and how many circumstances it happens every day for one person or to one person or what more sa lahat ng maraming tao, di ba? But I don't want to like a book just because I need to like it. I want to connect with it fully, but I'm scared of getting into a reading slump because of this such impactful book. So, I'm gonna pause it right here. Nasa na ba ako? So wherever I am, I think 37, 38% in. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna have to soften up it. Check something else out. Today is almost 2 weeks na, girl. 7, 8, 9, 11 days in. And I still have, shucks, where's my clock? I still have 10 hours and 32 minutes. Although, may mga, I think there are missed minutes here kasi may times na I had to pause, tas minsan natatanggal ko siya. So, I need to go back to the last hour na I remember. So, ayan, medyo magulo ang akin. I don't even know if I can complete this. Kasi parang, I know at some point dadaan din tayo or makakarating din tayo sa 24 hours. But I'm not sure if I can complete this vlog. Parang chaotic na. Pero anyways, let's find some thriller reads. Meron din ditong romance for the chunky read, for the Bookish Bunch Club. Bookish Bunch Book Club. But I don't know. So, what do you think? What do you think? I don't know. Parang ito na lang muna kasi gusto ko nang matapos. Ayoko siyang matapos kasi gusto ko siyang tapusin pero ayoko siyang matapos. Yun mo rin may dog ear kasi nakumpisan ko to at some point in my life last year. I am on my 8th or 9th, between 8th or 9th hours left. Ano ba yan? Good morning naman. Kakagising ko lang. Kasi kagabi, busog na busog tayo. Tapos, nagpahinga lang ng onte. And then, nagbaboy tayo. Tulog. Kain tulog, be. I put Know My Name on hold because it's too much for me. Tapos, I don't know why I am getting bored of how it was written, how it was executed. And I know it's a very important message, pero I don't want to fake my feelings about a book just because it carries a huge topic. It can be written in many different ways. So, ewan ko, mababash ba ako? Anyways, I picked up Assassin's Blade by Sarah J. Maas, which is my first SJM. I've been meaning to pick this up before the ACOTAR series kasi sabi nila, this will make you a fan of SJM. Well, same din naman yung comment for ACOTAR, pero I would want to, hindi ko alam, mas drawn ako kay Throne of Glass series. And one of my book club friends, mute muna ako, baka may pumasok. One of my book club friends is reading AB. So sabi ko pasabay ako. Pero parang nasa kalahati na siya. Sa unahan pa lang ako, me. So, medyo mahaba-haba pa to. And it's the weekend na. So, hopefully, we have more progress in reading today. Kaya sa plano ko rin na mag-trabaho. Hindi ko alam why I am so obsessed with work ngayon. Siguro, ito yung way ko para mag-cope sa stress. Dagdagan pa ng stress yung everyday life ko. It's a weekend, I don't have to work, but I want to. You know what I mean? I have colds and cough since yesterday. and I have a lot of things to cry about. But it's just making this worse. So we're gonna choose the other path here. I'll try to be braver. I'll try to be courageous or more courageous. This time, maging soldier tayo today because I have to work. I also have some more else to do. But I have two major, not major calls. But I have two important calls that I need to attend to. I need to facilitate actually. So yeah, that's that. But for the reading update, we have 4 hours and 45 minutes left. And I am reading, I think, 3 books yung ongoing ko. And I'm still choosing what to continue. Kasi I am reading Between Then and Now by Kyra Isabel, which is the book of the month for July. I also have The Assassin's Blade by Sarah J. Maas. And I also have I Love You Since 1892 by Binibining Mia, which will be adopted na medyo may may issue sa adaptation. Kaya ako na-curious. But anyways, I'm pausing I Love You Since 1892. Medyo mahaba yan. I think I'm gonna focus more on The Assassin's Blade. Gusto ko sanang i-go na si Between Then and Now because maikli lang naman siya. But I am more interested and more excited with The Assassin's Blade kay Selena. So, go tayo muna dyan today. Before, actually wala na, I have time pa to read kasi I prepared na may materials last night. Hindi tayo, masipag tayo. So now, I have time to read for a little bit, kaya mababasa muna. It is the 17th day since I started this vlog and this 24 hours of reading. And we are completing this today. We are finishing it today because I cannot anymore. I don't have books anymore. We still have 2 hours and 41 minutes and we will finish it today. Period. I've been through, I think, 3 books na I soft DNF'd, but I am enjoying Assassin's Blade. So I am buddy reading the series with one of my book club mates, and I'm excited kasi I don't know why I'm excited. I shouldn't be. But anyways, it's so good. I am loving it so far, although I really need some time to take a sit and give more space and, well, time in reading. It's the rainy season in the Philippines right now. Pangalawang bagyo or pangalawa na dumaan since we started this video. Hope you're okay. Everybody's fine. When we started this vlog, the first book that I read, or nasa middle na ako nun Study and Drowning. Pero tapos natin yon. I also read White Nights by Fyodor Dostoevsky, which is a little book lang naman. Excuse me, I'm so sick. I also finished an audiobook. But this one, binasa ko na to before and I was super disappointed. Tapos, ngayong in-audiobook ko, na-disappoint pa rin ako. Parang, so ang buong title niya was Nothing But Blackened Teeth. So, yeah, 1 star. I don't know why I tried that again. Tapos, I picked up, I Know My Name by Chanel Miller. And I know this is such a powerful book. It's so impactful talaga siya. Pero the way it was executed was kind of like repetitive for me. And hopefully, makarating itong mga ganitong materials to those people who actually do this kinds of bad things. Too long for me and it's too heavy now for me to carry. Parang you know what I mean. I also started an audiobook, I Who Have Never Known Men. Pero na-realize ko na, I want to read this with my eyes. So I stopped. I also picked up this one na, after nun, CAB. And this one, I am enjoying. I'm enjoying this. Kung meron lang talaga akong dire-diretsong oras to read, I also picked up I Love You Since 1892 kasi gusto ko ng, ano bang hype dito, girl? Tapos, I also picked up Between Then and Now by Kyra Isabel, which is our book of the month for August. So, yun yung mga libro kung nagsidaan sa aking 24 hours na 24 days reading month or reading vlog. Well, that's that. Alam mo ba? No, I haven't mentioned yet. But guys, this is the 24th day. Shocks! This is the 24th day of me attempting a 24-hour read. I knew aabot ako ng 1 month. Pero hindi ko akalain na totoo. Last time, I checked my timer kasi ginagamit ko yung phone ko, di ba? And I was using this, yung clock lang. Ito, di ba? Yung timer, alarm. Excuse me, may sakit pa rin kasi ako. So, yung mga sineset ko dito, nasisave yan dyan. Kahit i-exit natin, kahit i-stop, i-pause. Hanggat hindi mo kini-clear at hindi pa siya tapos, nandyan lang siya dapat. Nakasave lang dapat siya dito, sa baba. Tapos pagpunta ko, nawala. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Napindot ko lang ba? Napindot ba ni Nemo? Or natapos ko na ba siya? Ang naaalala ko, meron akong more than 1 hour pa. Pero wala akong memory of it. Like, notifying me na, girl, you're done. Wala at all. Pero I was reading The Assassin's Blade by SJM. This is my first SJM. Pinili ko talagang unahin muna si Throne of Glass series before the ACOTAR. Anyways, I got to halfway ng libro. And I think, natapos ko naman siguro yung 1 hour. Pero hindi talaga siya nag-alarm. Dahil na-frustrate ako, hindi ko na siya sinimulan ulit. Kasi hindi ko alam yung how many minutes more. Basta alam ko, more than 1 hour. So, nag-start na lang ako ng panibagong libro. And now, I am 72% of this book called Strange Houses by Yuketsu. And malapit na akong matapos. So, siguro naman, deserve ko na rin sabihin na natapos ko na yung 1 hour and more some minutes, okay? So, that's that. Ayoko nang gawin ulit. Sabi ko try ko to ulit next time. But maybe not dito sa mga araw na meron akong work. Kasi hindi ko siya natatimingan. Ang hirap kasi na kukunin mo na nga lang yung libro mo. Magpipindot ka pa na, nasan yung phone ko, girl? Pipindutin ko pa yung... At some point, na nagkaroon naman ako ng habit na kailangan ko siyang i-time. Pero for a little bit lang, mga ilang araw lang. Do I quit my job so I can read peacefully? I can time myself peacefully. At least we know that these kinds of vlogs is not for me. Balik tayo dun sa usual na ginagawa ko, like a random reading vlog.